A beautiful morning in Manchester, if only there was such clarity coming from Westminster. Across the north of England, anyone connected to pubs and restaurants is wondering, will there even be any trade next week? This wholesale supply in Oldham fearing further restrictions will mean more redundancies.
A bitter blow for this company. Everyone's worried, but it will be another nail in the coffin. It's worry, really.
Of the 17,540 new coronavirus cases today, more than a quarter were in the northwest. The northeast also saw more than 1,000 new cases, and Yorkshire and the Humber more than 2,000. But what continues to anger leaders here in Manchester and across the north of England is that they weren't consulted before the measures were leaked. Talks with ministers this afternoon merely confirming that the measures are likely to be announced on Monday and implemented on Wednesday.
Deeply unacceptable situation, and we're seeking urgent discussions with ministers to try and get some understanding and to put our case in terms of if we continue with the restrictions, if the restrictions are expanded, then they need to give us more control at a local level.
Behind the seemingly imminent decision is data shown by the Chief Medical Officer, Chris Whitty, and seen by almost 150 Northern and Midland MPs. It suggests nearly a third of all coronavirus exposure comes from licensed premises and cafes.
If we are going to close, stand by with us, support us until the very end, like countries like France, Spain, Germany have. That's what they have to do, because if they don't, this government will be remembered of ripping the heart out of our nighttime economy.
It's heartbreaking. We may well be closed down again next week.
And if so, this bar owner doesn't know when she'd reopen.
We need furlough to continue. We need the rates break to carry on next year until we're able to reopen. We deserve some fair support from the government. That's what we were promised, and that is not happening. They are not listening.
Once again, economic and health concerns collide. Hospitality is set to suffer, and with no clear route out. Richard Pallo, ITV News, Manchester.